Last week I used these glass legs as a riser for a plexiglass piece I have. But guys, I have OCD. That little thing showing is driving me crazy. And I plan on using that riser again today. So I'm going to solve this problem. I got this strip of wallpaper. It's got a floral print in it. And I just cut off just a little piece to wrap it around to hide that. Now I can't see it, and I'm happy. Thank you guys for coming back for another beautiful Tablescape Tuesday. We'll start off by cleaning the table as usual. I am loving this glass cleaner that my neighbor gave me. And guys, he is one of my biggest supporters on this channel. He looks at my videos and he'll come down and knock on the door. Oh, I love that. Love what you're doing this time. Oh, you just on your way. You are so creative. That's beautiful. You outdid yourself this time. You all better get somebody in y'all life like that encourages you. I'm going to use these beautiful placemats right in the center of the table. I'm going to add this beautiful green and silver placemat that I got from Home Goods. I'm not going to make that same mistake this week, guys. I'm going to put these legs down first before I start putting everything else on. I'm going to add this beautiful acrylic tray right on top of the legs. And while I was out shopping yesterday, I was looking for some other chargers, some type of autumn charger with leaves or something, because I should have picked them up when I first saw them. Didn't find those, but I found this one. Actually, my friend found it and was like, hey, check these out. And I love clear. He says, I know you love these, but check out this price. 99 cents. Yes, I love these. I'm adding this beautiful candle holder that I got from Hobby Lobby right in the center of the tray as a riser for my glass centerpiece. And in my centerpiece, I got the glass vase from Hobby Lobby, and I just added succulents and some pine cones. I have these tea light candle holders that I never use, so I'm going to use them today. I'm just taking two. Putting one on top of each other. Taking my beautiful DIY candle holder and a candle that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm adding my beautiful blessed pumpkin that I got from 99 cents only because I am so blessed. Then I'm going to add some greenery and some grapes. Drape it right across here. And I'm going to pause this for a moment while I go watch one of my favorite content creators, Slay the Renee Way. Now for the good stuff. I'm taking this placemat that I got from Home Goods. I'm taking this beautiful charger that I DIY'd on my very first video on this channel. I just glammed it up by putting some rhinestone glam glitter on the edges. I have these beautiful plates with this great print on them that I got from Ross years ago, almost 20 years. I have this purple dessert plate that I got from Ross many, many years ago at the same time that I bought the plates. I have this Temu stainless steel plate. I'm going to set right on top of the purple one. I originally started this tablescape off with a different plate that was silver, but then when I got ready to do the napkins and the napkin had some purple in it, I realized I wasn't pulling enough purple, so I changed the plate and put this purple one in and added this one to put some more silver back in. I'm using my bowls that I got at Big Lots many, many years ago. Set right on top. And some grapes. And I just want to drape those right over the side. I'm taking my beautiful napkins along with a piece of silver glitter ribbon on top and my napkin ring that I got from Z Gallery. I don't believe they sell these napkin rings anymore, but you can check. And my cup that matches the plate. And notice how I put my napkin at an angle. I'm using these beautiful coasters that I just made. The video is prior to this video. I will make sure I link it. And just a simple Dollar Tree champagne glass. Speaking of champagne glasses, my DIY boycott and styling video should be up this week. I got a shot last week, and I tell you guys, I was like a baby. I was in bed Saturday with a fever, arm was hurting. I got 2 shots, and it took me out. Let me finish setting up the rest of the place setting, and I'll come back with the reveal. And here is the reveal, guys. I am a person who pays attention to detail. So I just want to tell you, if you ever decide to start some type of business where you're setting up tables for weddings, you need to learn now to pay attention to the smallest details. I want you to notice how I have placed all of the plates with the lettuce pattern going down. How I have placed all of the grapes with the leaves on this side near the wine glass and coaster. How I have placed all of the napkins at a center angle. And how I placed all of the mugs with the handle going backwards. Just check out those things as I show you the full tablescape. Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. It is an open collaboration, and I just want to thank you ladies for hosting this and allowing me to participate in this. Thank you so much. I will link their information in the description box along with the playlist. I just want to thank each and every one of you who have stopped by to see what I created for this Tablescape Tuesday. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You do not want to miss any of the beautiful videos I have coming up in the near future as I decorate my beautiful luxury apartment. Thank you so much for watching, and you all have a blessed day.